What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol APVO for Aptevo Therapeutics. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. This, of course, will be an update. We talked about it just the other day, and the main thing we discussed in that video was 15 acting as your pivot. If we open down below, look for sideways choppy action and no longs, essentially. But if we opened above 15, that opened the door to move back towards the high of day as we were opening in the upper 50%, as well as above the intraday halt and gap range. So to me, the fact that all day was spent underneath 15 is fairly bearish. If we take a look at the daily structure, right, this upper wick would indicate selling pressure. You can clearly see that on the 30. And then the fact that we closed relatively weak as well, not looking so hot in my estimation in APVO. Now, don't get me wrong. If you're long from anywhere like, sub 8 down when it was downtrending hard here, then you're still fine, right? You can use this 11 as kind of a stop. It's today's low of day. It's the breakout point from here, which we discussed. Maybe that's your out level. And as of right now, it is being respected. In the post market, we're 1155 by 1168. So slightly off of it, right? Kind of in here. So still all good from that perspective. But if you're long from up here, the chart really doesn't look too promising in my estimation. Again, if we take a closer look at the 30-minute, what you'll notice upper wicks resisting the gap range at 15. We'll also take out the Fibonacci's, come in from the low to the high of the first drive higher, right? And what you'll see is that there was no attempt whatsoever to respect the 38.2, the 50%, or the 61.8. As a matter of fact, we made a new low on the day and went into that 11 area of prior resistance, then turned support. So again, not promising from the buyers today. And in terms of the sell side, how was the bounce into the end of the day? Fibs from high to low. What you'll notice is the 38.2, which is only really valid on this end of day bounce here, did in fact resist. This red candle tried to get to the 50, couldn't even close above the 38.2. So it still looks, in my estimation, like sellers are in control. Bearish consolidation happens here. Breakdown of 11 is your out. If you're long from down here, in my estimation, you wouldn't want any more of your profits to evaporate. If you're not long, I would just avoid the stock at this point in time unless we can start putting candles in above 15, building some sort of structure for some potential breakout pattern up above 15, as we mentioned. So that's Aptevo in a nutshell. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know in the comment section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget that tomorrow is a holiday, Friday's a half day, and with that being said, I wish you all a green trading week.